As always, we're going to take a quick look at the conditions before starting the video. Let's first take a look at the O100 convective outlook issued by the Storm Prediction Center. The categorical outlook covers a good chunk of the Midwest and Middle United States, with an enhanced risk covering parts of Indiana, Illinois, Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, and Texas, as well as a tiny bit of northern Kentucky and southern Ohio. In this outlook, I'm either just inside or right outside of the slight risk. The tornado outlook has a 10% hatched risk over Illinois, Arkansas, Missouri, Kansas, and Oklahoma. I'm in the 2% risk here. Let's change now to the 1200 Zulu outlook, which features significant change. The enhanced risk has shifted east, and there has been an upgrade to a moderate risk, including Indiana, Ohio, and Kentucky, and a little sliver of West Virginia. Looking at the tornado risk, I am well within the 15% hatched risk. Nothing changes for the 1300 Zulu outlook. For the 1630 Zulu outlook, the moderate risk is made more round and puts me in the edge of it now. However, it was reverted back to a very similar setup for the 2000 Zulu outlook, which I am still inside of, but it's a lot lower now, so I'm not that far into it. Radar models were also pointing towards a large tornado outbreak in the Ohio Valley down into northern Kentucky and southeast Indiana. Despite all the pointers the SPC was giving and the models were predicting, this ended up not being as big as we expected at all. However, this was a great outbreak for an EAS enthusiast, at least for one in Ohio, because no one in Ohio got hurt, there was no major damage, and it was exciting.
Flood warning in effect from this evening to early Thursday afternoon. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Scioto River near LaRue. When? From this evening to early Thursday afternoon. Impacts at 11 feet. Flooding occurs in agricultural areas near the river. At 12 feet, flooding occurs in lowland areas south of the village of LaRue. Roads inundated include High Street, LaRue Prospect Road, and parts of Vine Street. Additional details, at 7 a.m. Tuesday the stage was 11 feet. Bankfull stage is 9 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage this evening to a crest at 12.5 feet tomorrow morning. It will then fall below flood stage Thursday morning. Flood stage is 12 feet. Flood history, no available flood history. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood.
I guess they changed their script because they fixed a few things there.
Flood watch remains in effect through this evening.
But they also removed the turnaround don't drown.
Excessive rainfall continues to be possible.
I'm scared.
Flood warning in effect until early Wednesday morning. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Bad River near Springfield. When? Until early Wednesday morning. Impacts at 11 feet, West 1st Street and Springfield Township floods, including the Forest Lake Fishing and Campground area, with water approaching some businesses along West 1st Street. Spangler Road downstream of Springfield also floods. Flood waters approach several homes to the southwest of Springfield. In addition, the Mad River experiences widespread flooding in Champaign County near the river. Additional details, at 9:30 a.m. Tuesday the stage was 7.2 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this morning to a crest of 10.7 feet this afternoon. It will then fall below flood stage this evening. Flood stage is 8 feet. Here is a river flood advice.
Just about close my camera from that last clip.
Here is a river flood warning. Flood warning in effect from this evening to early Wednesday afternoon. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Scioto River at Columbus Frank Road. When? From this evening to early Wednesday afternoon. Impacts at 24 feet. While much of the city remains protected at this stage, flooding occurs along the river outside the city of Columbus. A stage of this level will cause flooding along the Scioto River in southern Franklin County, mainly in Franklin, Jackson, and Marion Townships. McKinley Avenue is closed at 24.2 feet. Route 23 High Street is flooded near I-270. Additional details, at 9:45 a.m. Tuesday the stage was 19.8 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage this evening to a crest at 24.5 feet early Wednesday morning. It will then fall below flood stage Wednesday morning. Flood stage is 24 feet.
Doubleheader.
Is a river flood warning. Flood warning in effect from this evening to early Wednesday afternoon. What minor flooding is forecast? Where? Scioto River at Columbus French Road. When? From this evening to early Wednesday afternoon.
Just relive the same one twice.
Impacts at 24 feet. While much of the city remains protected at this stage, flooding occurs along the river outside the city of Columbus. A stage of this level will cause flooding along the Scioto River in southern Franklin County, mainly in Franklin, Jackson, and Marion Townships.
It's the exact same one.
McKinley Avenue is closed at 24.2 feet. Route 23 High Street is flooded near I-270. Additional details, at 9:45 a.m. Tuesday the stage was 19.8 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage this evening to a crest at 24.5 feet early Wednesday morning. It will then fall below flood stage Wednesday morning. Flood stage is 24 feet.
Watch him do it again.
Now here is the official.
It's not too bad.
No, we're pretty good, but not too bad.
This camera's last me, I think, 7 years at this point. It's getting to its last legs here soon, but it's great.
A river flood warning. Flood warning in effect from
Flood
this
warning.
evening to early Sunday afternoon. Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Scioto River
no.
and Circleville. From this evening to
Circleville.
early Sunday afternoon. At 20 feet, serious flooding occurs mainly west of Circleville along Mill and Canal Roads, as well as Island Road and State Route 762. Backwater flooding along Big Darby Creek causes flooding along roadways. The city of Circleville itself is not affected until a stage near 30 feet. At 9:45 a.m. Tuesday, the stage was 12.7 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage this evening to a crest of 19.6 feet early Thursday morning. It will then fall below flood stage Sunday morning. Flood stage is 15 feet.
Oh, doubleheader.
Here is a river flood warning. Flood warning in effect from this evening to late Wednesday evening. Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Big Darby Creek at Darbyville. From this evening to late Wednesday evening. At 12 feet, the land flooding occurs along Big Darby Creek in Tequaway, Franklin, and Madison counties. Portions of Darby Creek Road north of Darbyville become flooded. At 10 a.m. Tuesday, the stage was 8.8 feet.
3 or 4
The river
doubleheaders.
is expected to rise above flood stage late this evening to a crest of 12.5 feet early Wednesday morning. It will then fall below flood stage Wednesday afternoon. Flood stage is 12 feet. Here is the
In my sculpture class, our ceiling is leaking. Our school is known for having a bad roof, so I'm not surprised. We're probably gonna lose our roof today. Our ceiling is like... The tiles look like they're gonna fail. We had one fail not long ago. The intercom fell out in the 100 hall. I don't know. Water dripping into the trash can. It's nasty water too. Look at that. Oh, okay. You scared me with those lights. I thought the lights were actually flickering.
What's the recent weather?
What?
What's the weather look like on your camcorder over there, or your radio?
I'm listening to it. Hasn't gone off in like a half hour.
Alert! Stand by.
I think I like that.
So, Mr. Mason,
Yeah.
opinion on life in general.
I think I'm liking it.
My opinion on life is that you're using up my camera's battery, which I'm going to need later today, so let's stop using the camera for now. Alrighty, quick updates for the video. It's 2:40 p.m., just got out of school. My scanner died, gonna need to get some new batteries in it when I get home. I know I missed at least one alert. I don't know what it was, but I was told I missed it while I was out of class, so yeah. Big fat ring shots.
We're not going to miss you, we're not going to overlook you, we're not going to ignore anybody. There's nothing going on. Absolutely nothing. We're waiting.
Tornado watch! I don't know why I got, like...
Service has issued a tornado watch effective until 10 p.m.
Get 10 p.m.
This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Clark, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Madison, and Pickaway.
No Fairfield.
Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions
I should be
are
happy with
favorable
that.
for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Is that for us?
Just about. Franklin.
Why'd they do it for
Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for Belmont County, Carroll County, Southeastern Columbiana County, Coshocton County, Guernsey County, Harrison County, Jefferson, Ohio County, Monroe County, Muskingum County, Noble County, Tuscarawas County, Brooke County in northern West Virginia, Hancock County in northern West Virginia, Marshall County in northern West Virginia, Ohio County in northern West Virginia, Wetzel County in northern West Virginia, until 9:45 p.m.
Jeez, what did the
At
polygon
3:52
look like?
p.m., morning rainfall of 2.0 to 3.0 inches has caused numerous creeks and streams throughout eastern Ohio and northern West Virginia to flood. Multiple additional rounds of storms are expected during the late afternoon and evening. Imminent additional rainfall up to 1.0 inch is possible in the Warren area and could lead to flash flooding. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas.
Much later. The farther west you are in West Virginia, the more likely it is that you see severe weather.
Steubenville, New Philadelphia, Dover, Coshocton, East Liverpool, Cambridge, Moundsville, Martins Ferry, Ridgeville, New Martinsville, St. Clairsville, Bel Air, Barnesville, Wellsville, Cadiz, Carrollton, and Warwood. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.
Okay, so quick update. It is 4:11 p.m. and as you can see, storms are cooking up down in southern Indiana, and they are heading straight towards central Ohio. We are right in here. So, and the sun has also come out, so not sure what that means. Not sure if that affects anything, but we do seem like we're gonna get slammed eventually, so around Maybe 6 p.m., I don't know. Alrighty, 5:51 p.m. updates. We do got some PDS tornado warnings. Sky's starting to get a bit cloudy, a little bit dark here in central Ohio, so nothing here yet, but it's not going to be long. We got a very concerning situation in LaGrange, Indiana right now, so got something here. So those are warning.
Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Warren County, western Fayette County, Ohio, northern Clinton County, southern Greene County, southern Montgomery County, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lebanon, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source,
That is
radar
tornado
indicated.
possible.
Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Middletown, Mason, Xenia, Lebanon, Springboro, Wilmington, Monroe, Franklin, Waynesville, Sabina, Jamestown, Morrow, Hunter, Kings Island, High Point, South Lebanon, New Jasper, Mainville, Clarksville, and Harveysburg. This includes the following interstates: I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 20 and 62. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 29 and 38.
Tornado watch.
Watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. and now includes the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Delaware, Fairfield, Hocking, Licking, and Union. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
So now under the tornado watch.
Alabama's now in play with some of the strong
National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Franklin County, Ohio, Fayette County, Ohio, northeastern Clinton County, northwestern Pickaway County, southeastern Greene County, southern Madison County, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sabina, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Grove City, Washington Courthouse, Sabina, Jamestown, Mount Sterling, South Bloomfield, Jeffersonville, Williamsport, Bloomingburg, New Holland, Commercial Point, Fox, Urban Crest, South Solon, Midway, Harrisburg, Bowersville, Orient, and Armyville. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 56 and 100.
New tornado watch.
Service has issued a tornado watch, effective until 2 a.m. Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Muskingum and Perry. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Okay, another update here. Looking at Radar Omega. So, this severe thunderstorm warning here is going to expire pretty soon. 22 minutes from now. However, they did issue a special weather statement here for us. If I can click it, there we go. 7 minutes until this expires. So I honestly think that they're fully intending to upgrade that to a severe thunderstorm warning when the time comes. I could be wrong,
Tornado watch has been issued.
but I think that's what they're gonna do. I think they just did it. I called it. I think I was right. Let's check. Yep, I was right.
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Franklin County, Ohio, northern Fairfield County, northern Pickaway County, southwestern Licking County, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near South Bloomfield, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Newark, Lancaster, Reynoldsburg, Grove City, Gahanna, Pickerington, Bexley, Heath, Grahamville, Pawhuska, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Asheville, Baltimore, Buckeye Lake, Hebron, South Bloomfield, Millersport, and Pleasantville.
Too many locations.
This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 98 and 132. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 92 and 109.
Franklin County's gonna see this. Dog update number 1. He's doing fine. He's nervous, but he's doing okay. Dog update number 2. She is very panicked. Poor girl. Oh, she's shaking. What's this? Severe thunderstorm warning. Probably reissued this one for further east.
Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fairfield County, North Central Hocking County, until 8:30 p.m.
Okay, we're getting hit by more, I
At
guess.
7:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Canal Winchester, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
So, we may get hail.
Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lancaster, Canal Winchester, Baltimore, Bremen, Pleasantville, Hideaway Hills, Royalton, Lithopolis, Amanda, Thurston, Carroll, Sugar Grove, Rushville, West Rushville, Fairfield County Airport, U.S. Route 22 at State Route 159, Hideaway Hills, Clearport, North Bern, and Dumontville.
Hey, Ryan Hall. How about we call him Ryan Hill? Okay, so the backyard's gotten even worse. Look at this, it's gotten even worse. Backyard is completely flooded now. We got something. What is it? Tornado warning! Hold on, let's see what it is.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southern Fairfield County, north central Hocking County, until 8:30 p.m.
Let me check that on the map.
7:59 p.m. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles west of Lancaster.
There it is.
At 30 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source.
Okay.
Indicated rotation.
We have a tornado warning.
Falling debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be
Okay,
damaged
so
or destroyed.
I don't think we need to take cover. I don't think we need to take cover. Take a look.
Damage is likely.
See?
Locations impacted
We're
include
up here. It's down there.
Hideaway Hills, Royalton, Amanda, Sugar Grove, U.S. Route 22 at State Route 159.
Okay, let's take a look at.
Hideaway Hills.
It's for Lance.
Take cover now.
It's for Lance.
Let's take a look here.
Basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
Okay, I'm not
If you are
gonna. Oh,
outdoors,
okay.
In a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect
take a look
yourself from
here.
flying debris. To report severe
Oh, I just realized
go to our
Fairfield County's
website
gonna
at
activate.
weather.gov/ILN and submit
Crouch and
your
scan.
report via
Crouch
social
and
media.
scan.
We can do so safely.
Oh, double header. Double header. Flood warning.
Flood warning in effect until early Wednesday morning. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? South Fork Licking River near I-70 near Buckeye Lake. When? Until early Wednesday morning. Impacts at 880.0 feet. Water extends onto the 129 exit ramp from eastbound Interstate 70 to Route 79 near Buckeye Lake.
Sounds like.
Additional details. At 6:45 p.m. Tuesday, the stage was 879.8 feet. The river is expected to rise to a crest of 880.0 feet this evening. It will then fall below flood stage overnight.
Drop right there.
Flood stage is 880.0 feet.
Okay, let's see if this is gonna be a triple header. Triple header. Triple header. Severe thunderstorm warning. Okay, thanks for.
Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Perry County until 8:45 p.m. At 7:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Canal Winchester, or 8 miles west of Lancaster, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include New Lexington, Somerset, Perry State Forest, Crooksville, Thornville, Junction City, and Glenford.
Quadruple header! Quadruple header! Quadruple header! I've never gotten one before.
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Licking County until 8:30 p.m. At 8:00 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Harbor Hills, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Newark, Keith, Grahamville, Hanover, Martin, Harbor Hills, Gratiot, Toboso, Interstate 70 at State Route 13, and Brownsville. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 130 and 142 and near mile marker 144.
Probably not. Oh my god! 5 times header! Holy! Oh my god! A 5 times header?
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Coshocton County, Muskingum County until 9 p.m. At 8:01 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Harbor Hills to near Thornport to near Pleasantville, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles. Damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Zanesville, New Concord, South Zanesville, North Zanesville, Dresden, Frieseinsburg, Philo, Pleasant Grove, Conesville, Gratiot, Fultonham, Norwich, Chandlersville, Bridgeville, Duncan Falls, East Fultonham, Otsego, Drake, and Dillon State Park.
Okay, are we gonna get a sextuple header? No, okay, it's over. Okay, here we go. Tornado warning for probably Muskingum County.
Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for central Muskingum County until 8:45 p.m.
Here is...
8:06 p.m. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Harbor Hills, or 7 miles
There it is.
southeast of Heath, moving east at 45 miles an hour.
right there.
Tornado.
Let's
Source.
see.
Radar indicated rotation. Impact.
Why not? Oh, okay, that's actually not good. I mean, it's probably not that bad. I'm probably overreacting.
Windows and vehicles will occur.
Oh, Licking County. Okay, we're gonna have a double-header tornado warning.
Zanesville around 8:20 p.m. North Zanesville around 8:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Pleasant Grove, Dillon State Park, Bridgeville, Drake, Norwich, and Gratiot. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and
South and east of running the tornado.
262-198, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh
Like a little
Facebook
Pittsburgh
page,
script.
or using Twitter at Northwest South Pittsburgh.
Okay, here we go, double-header time. There we go. Another tornado warning. Yeah, there we go. Another tornado warning. Here's outside our place.
Issued a tornado warning for southeastern Licking County until 8:30 p.m. At 8:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Harbor Hills, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail.
What?
Radar indicated rotation. Impact.
Wait, hold up.
Debris will be dangerous to those.
Oh, he does National Weather Service colors. That's why I was
Will be
confused.
damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Heath,
I need to make sure it's not rotating. It looks a little concerning.
This includes I-70 in Ohio between
check radar.
133 and 142.
I see something rather concerning right outside.
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest
Okay, we look
floor of a
fine.
sturdy building.
Anything
Avoid windows.
starts to look worse.
To report severe weather.
We got quadruple activation for all sirens in the county. That was all. See if you can hear him. Not yet. Model 2's broken. Mom, stop recording me. NATO warning just expired. New NATO warning. Let's go experience one in the room.
Southeast.
Yeah, there we go. Office handoff.
A thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Somerset, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near New Lexington and Perry State Forest around 8:35 p.m.
Actually,
Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Glenford, Crooksville, and Junction City. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
That's already severe thunderstorm warning. Okay. Yeah. After this one.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Guernsey County, southeastern Coshocton County, northeastern Muskingum County, south central Tuscarawas County, north central Noble County.
Oh boy, big one.
Until 9:15 p.m. At 8:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Dresden to North Zanesville to South Zanesville, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles. Trees snapped and uprooted. Power outages.
Uprooted?
Locations impacted include Cambridge, Newcomerstown, New Concord, Nesville, Antrim, Senecaville, Pleasant City, Collinsville, Lower City, Old Washington, Plainfield, Norwich, Chandlersville, Otsego, Birmingham,
Otsego,
Seneca Lake Park, Salt Fork State Park, and Keebolton.
Okay.
I want Chipotle, but Mom's not
Every time we do this,
Got something?
because what this shows us is the speed of the
Hold on.
tornado going. This condition of the radar is interaction between those two.
Just wait for the counties.
Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Guernsey County, southeastern Coshocton County, northeastern Muskingum County, southern Tuscarawas County, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near North Zanesville or near Adamsville, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation.
Bolton and Cambridge,
Impact,
Ohio.
flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Now get to shelter.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near New Concord around 8:50 p.m. Cambridge around 8:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lower City, Salt Fork State Park, Bowdoin, Norwich, Old Washington, Otsego, Keebolton, and Birmingham. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at Northwest South Pittsburgh.
Something. Tornado warning. Where's the stack?
Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Muskingum County until 9:45 p.m.
Okay.
At 9:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near South Zanesville, or 8 miles south of Zanesville, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Muskingum County, including the following locations: Rural Dale, Blue Rock State Park, Philo, High Hill, and Duncan Falls. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at Northwest South Pittsburgh.
Which is the one that I believe. Oh, flash flood warning.
flash flood warning for Belmont County, Carroll County, Southeastern Columbiana County, Guernsey County, Harrison County, Jefferson, Ohio County, Monroe County, Muskingum County, Noble County, Tuscarawas County, Brooke County in northern West Virginia, Hancock County in northern West Virginia, Marshall County in northern West Virginia, Ohio County in northern West Virginia, Wetzel County in northern West Virginia, until 1:45 a.m. At 9:36 p.m.
See, there was somebody going out or helping him.
Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Wheeling, Zanesville, Weirton, Steubenville, New Philadelphia, Dover, East Liverpool, Cambridge, Moundsville, Martins Ferry, Ridgeville, New Martinsville, St. Clairsville, Bel Air, Barnesville, Wellsville, Cadiz, Carrollton, Warwood, and Wellsburg. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.
Okay, let's see.